presenting the Realme C35. It comes in color options of glowing green and glowing black. The phone has display of 16.76 centimeters, 6.6 inch. The phone also has full HD Plus display. It has 50 MP plus 2 MP plus 0.3 MP 8 MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. It has 64 GB ROM and expandable up to 1 TB. Expandable memory up to 1 TB, and 4 GB ROM. It is powered by Unisoc Tiger T616 processor. The delivery box contains handset, adapter and USB cable. Important info booklet with warranty card, quick guide and SIM card tool. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.